Hello and welcome to the Crossdressing Lifestyle channel. My name is Sophie Summers, and in today's video we're going to create this particular look. So if you'd like to see how we did it from start to finish, please join me after the break. So I'm going to start with the Kryolan TV Paint Stick 4W and push that in all over. As you can see, I've already put my facelift tapes in at the top, just on the cheekbones and also on the jawline. So I'm going to use this natural blending brush here, and it's made out of goat's hair down here, and it will absorb all of the oil, the surface oil I've left on as a result of using this TV Kryolan paint stick. So I'm going to blend that in all over, and you can see it drastically changing colour from this beautiful white. Now I like to use this blending brush because it's very good at evening out the tone of the foundation. And more importantly, as it's blending it in, it's taking that surface oil off the top, which is important because we need to seal this with a powder. And if you apply the translucent powder on quite an oily surface, it's detrimental to the final look because it looks a little bit like crocodile skin, which is not the desired look you want for your foundation. I'm going to take a 9W and take that along the jawline. And I'm going to go back in again with the blending brush, just to take the surface oil off. I'm going to set it with some translucent powder, TL3. I'm going to apply just a little bit extra underneath the eyes, just in case it could fall out. Building it quite high up above the socket line because I know I'm going to be wearing quite dramatic lashes as usual. Now I'm going to use the larger blending brush here for blending in, which is the 81460-32. And I'm going to take these edges off a little bit. Voila. So this completes the final look. I put on a lovely retro jet black wig here, and the outfit I'm wearing is from a Vivian of Holloway. Details on both of these items are in the description below. So all that remains for me to do is just thank you very much for watching and tuning in general. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. It would be very much appreciated. So until the next time, please take care of yourselves and have a blessed time. Bye bye.